So after you've drawn and you are okay with what you've drawn, you have to exit from the sketch, and you exit by clicking on this arrow. So once you click, you exit from the sketch, and if you want to make any changes, you go back to the sketch. When you click on the sketch, then you come to edit sketch, and this gives you the ability to make further changes to the sketch. Assuming you are okay, another way to exit the sketch is by double clicking on the screen. So you double click, that is left click, and it automatically exits from the screen. Okay, so we are done with this. So I'll go ahead and delete it. You can delete it by selecting the sketch, right click, then you select delete. It asks you delete the following item: sketch 1, drag the sketch 1. Yes, then I delete it. So we are going to talk about the spline and the rectangle. We are measuring our units is in centimeters, and we will select top plane. You can actually select any plane. So sketch, zoom to fit. Okay. So I position my screen in such a way that I can see the origin. Then let's talk about the first line, which is the spline. So once you select the spline, you click left click anywhere on the screen, then this line comes up. Once you click another point, then it begins to bend. You click another point, it begins to bend. You click another point, it begins to bend. You click another point, it begins to bend. If you are okay with what you have, you just hit on escape. Once you hit on escape, you exit from the spline. You can further make changes to the spline when you click on any point. So I can click here, I can click here, I can click here, and I can click here. Notice if you click on any point of the spline, even the line, it gives you the ability to make changes by this arrow. So let me select this. And once I drag this, see my spline begins to change. Okay. You can also select this end point, which gives you the ability to change the angle. Okay. Let me drag this. You see it changes. I can move it up a bit. I can move the other end. I can also move the changes of it. The same applies to the other end. So basically you just have to work it out to see what you want. Now let me talk about the other spline, which is the style spline. The style spline, you select it, you click anywhere on the screen. This is how it works. Escape. So if you see, it uses straight lines to generate a curve you want. So after you are done, you can select any point that you clicked, then make further changes to the spline. I actually like using the style spline than the first spline.